is new again. With you, I'm where I am. Two hearts, one way to get us somewhere. Always, always together somewhere.
Okay, so we just left Monkey Temple a few minutes ago, and we're now here at Kathmandu Durbar Square. Sorry, it's a tongue twister. Just wanted to tell you about Monkey Temple. We would definitely recommend it. It's got just a lot of cool things. It's got a lot of cool stupas. If you love monkeys, you'll get more monkeys than you can handle. And it was a really nice place, and it's also a good workout. It's over 200 steps up, and we had a great time there. So now we're moved on. We've just moved on, got out of the taxi. We're here at Durbar Square now, and we're eating upstairs. From the top here, it's too bad it's not clear. When it's clear, you can actually see the top of Everest. It's cloudy now, so if it does come through the clouds, we'll be sure to show it to you. And very nice scenic view of the area, and also Durbar Square, which is what we're going to go next.
Try darling, hot and sour soup.
Okay, Anna ordered this hot and sour soup. See if it's better than it was for her last night. I thought the stuff last night was good, but she didn't like it. I like it. It's mild, not spicy, but full of rich with vegetables, cooked vegetables. Oh, it's good. Your turn, darling.
More vegetables than yesterday.
More vegetables, but not as spicy. You like that? Okay. One more bite. Hello, Mark.
Yes.
Very good tandoori chicken. Excellent. We got some dipping sauce and some spicy salad. Very good. Hope I don't have it on my face.
Oh, hello. Yes, I just finished.
So, tell them. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
How was the food?
Very
Very
good. Very
good.
good.
Okay.
So we have our guide here. What's your name?
Ram.
Ram. He's going to show us around this incredible area of town. The first thing he's showing us is this temple here that is over 800 years old, and it was made from one tree, like it's teak. And
From this temple, it becomes Kathmandu. From Kathmandu, people may make a mispronunciation.
okay, so what's Kathmandu mean?
Kasta means wooden house.
Oh, wooden house. So it's called Kathmandu. So from that name, Kathmandu, the name of the city came. So from these wooden houses. This temple actually collapsed 15 years ago.
No, 2015.
2015, and had to be rebuilt, which is why part of it is new. But it was originally built 800 years ago.
And where more than 30 people are killed. Because that time we had blood donation program inside.
Ah, 30 people were killed. Huh?
Including some doctor and some nurse as well.
Was that a hospital then?
No, just blood
Oh,
donation.
blood donation, okay.
That's why now it was restoration 4 years ago. You can see tiles are very new.
Yeah.
Even on the wall, you can see new pictures. This, madam, what I told you, that is one of the tallest temple of Kathmandu Durbar Square.
Okay, it's one of the tallest
Yeah.
temples in Kathmandu. Yes.
Temple was dedicated to Shiva, which is god of destruction and god of construction.
Okay, dedicated to the god of Shiva.
Yeah.
This is a temple dedicated to Vishnu.
Yeah. It was built in 17th century.
Wow.
It's
17th
also
century.
collapsed by the earthquake. You can see bricks are very new. Huge statue is called the Garuda.
Garuda.
Oh, this is
man, half
Garuda.
eagle.
Yes.
It's a transportation of Lord Vishnu.
Yes.
This was a king's palace built in 1908. Well, this temple that we showed you for a minute before is known as the hippie temple because back in the 60s and 70s, a lot of hippies from the West came here and visited this temple. Also, our guide told us that Jimi Hendrix played here, but can't verify that.
Hey.
Okay, so this is part of the old palace, and look at the teak wood carvings here, very beautiful. It's part of what makes this place a UNESCO site. And the palace, this is the old palace, and that's the new part of the palace. It was built in 1908, but it's not used anymore, right? Because
now it is becomes like a part of museum.
Okay.
The main museum is closed because it's still under construction.
So this is the erotic temple of Kama Sutra. So we're going to see what he's going to show us. My guess is there's some very intimate statues in here. So this temple is 800 years old, and this temple is dedicated to fertility. So this is the living goddess now that we're going to try to get. We're going to try to get a look at her later, but we're not allowed to take pictures. But this is a picture of her. They're made goddesses when they're 4 to 5 years old, and after they have their first period, their job's over. They get to have a normal life, and another goddess is chosen. So darling, this is Hanuman, but they put a cover over him because they don't want him to see the erotic temple. I love it. Is this a museum?
Yeah. Two part is collapsed by the earthquake. It was restoration by China government.
Wow.
It was originally it was built in 17th century.
So this is the new palace here, and this is part of the old palace.
Old palace.
The old palace, the woodwork is just breathtaking. We're going to take a picture of a Gurkha, who's what Nepal's known for. They're these really, I guess, successful soldiers that were also used by India and Britain, right? They've been used for India and America. And this is an authentic Gurkha soldier over here.
Antique uniform of the Nepalese army.
Is he a Gurkha?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. He said he can take his picture. Can we stand with you for a picture? Yes, thank you. Stand on one side.
Yes, please, smile. Yeah. So now we are here.
Kathmandu. And
Pokhara is here.
oh yeah, Pokhara, and also Mount
Everest.
is right there. Is this it? Here it is, Mount Everest. It's right on the border between China and here. So when you fly into Kathmandu, it should be on the right, and when you fly out, it should be on the left. You go down that side. Cool. It's a big, actually it's a long country.
Yeah.
And down here is where Buddha was born, right? Lumbini, where Buddha was born?
Chiton, jungle safari.
Ah, okay. Where are the most mountains? Are they over here, or are there more mountains over
This
here?
part also Annapurna is over
Oh,
here.
Annapurna is up here, so you get some big mountains on along China.
As a goddess. She's coming from the Buddhist family. She's goddess as a Hindus mix. In Nepal, major population are Hinduism.
Okay.
Nearly.
Okay, so This goddess, every time you pick one who's 10 years old.
When she has a first period.
Okay, and then when she has her first menstruation,
Yeah.
she has to quit being goddess,
Yeah.
and you bring in another goddess.
Another one.
Okay, and she lives in here
Yeah.
with her whole family?
No.
Okay.
She's not allowed to stay with her parents, but often her parents they come to visit her whenever they want.
Okay.
She was going to take care by the priest family. More than 15 people they take care to her.
And she's a Hindu goddess.
Hindu goddess.